Hey guys, this is the day in the life of a chud. I start my day by waking up at about 5 p.m. Then I go grab a light snack. Peanut butter. After eating some yummy fudge cookies, I doze off a little bit. After about an hour-long nap, I get on Discord to practice my Japanese. Good evening. Guess we can make Japanese? Okay, he goes nothing. Okay, now, close the cook. Oh, now I stop. I think that's enough Japanese for today, guys. Arigato. See you later. Yeah. I was gonna play a long session of Genshin Impact, but then my stupid sister came in and interrupted my gameplay.
You smell disgusting. I can smell you all the way from my room. Please take a shower.
Oh, nasty. Jeez. The light's too bright. I realized she was right. Maybe I should try showering. I hadn't done it in a while. Maybe not. Never doing that again. Oh, lucky peanut butter. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the way to the nerves. Before I go to sleep after a long, hard day, I watch some Agartha edits. Agartha. This calms the nerves. The real motherland. Yeah. My final task? Kiss my king Yakub goodnight. Good night, my creator Yakub. But then I had a dream that would change me forever. Yakub? What?
You are the heir to Agartha.
I'm not worthy, sire.
And will inherit my throne, Chud. Here, take this.
After Yakub gave me some confidence, it was finally time for me to face the world. The task was daunting. I had to go outside, the first time in 10 years. heir to the throne of Agartha. I demand a cheeseburger.
Okay. Your total is $8.34.
I don't want to buy a cheeseburger. I don't have a job. I'm the heir of Agartha. I want it for free.
Sir, I don't give free handouts here.
I'm the successor to Yakub. You should know this.
Yakub isn't real. Leave my store, you chud.
Those words didn't cut me. It carved me in half.
Chud, 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 chud,
I was distraught, lost, gassy even. I thought Yakub had failed me. Maybe he was right. Maybe I am a chud. Maybe Yakub isn't real. You failed me, Yakub. You failed me. But then something incredible happened. Why me? What's this? The prophecy. It's true. The prophecy. Oh my gosh. Yakub, my savior. You really are real. Here I come, Yakub. Here I come, Agartha.
I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, do you come from a land down under, where women glow and men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run.